Hello, and welcome to Mintage Mining. Here we will show you how to deposit BTC in your Mintage account. Doing this will allow you to pay for your call mining contract each month. Let's get started. To begin, you will need to sign into your Mintage account. If you haven't signed in for a long while, you may notice that your password is no longer valid. We recently went through some critical security updates. With that, each member needs to follow the forgot password process to access their account. Now that you're signed in, you will see that you are on the dashboard page. On the left-hand side of the page, you will see several menu options. For this, you will choose the Wallets option and then Primary. As you can see, you are now in your Mintage BTC Primary Holding Wallet. We call it that because you can only use that BTC for Mintage purchases. You will not be able to buy or sell BTC in Mintage. To add Bitcoin to your wallet so you can pay for your contract, you will push the deposit button, and that's roughly in the middle of the page right here. A pop-up window will show up allowing you to choose which coin you want to send. We will show you how to send using Bitcoin. As you can see, your deposit address for Bitcoin has popped up. We'll go ahead and push the copy button, and that will copy the address to your clipboard. If you're doing this on your computer but need the address on your phone or other device where you're accessing your Bitcoin wallet, you can email the deposit address to yourself and then retrieve it on your device. Please be aware, we do not suggest that you try to type out the deposit address character by character. If you make any mistakes when doing so, your Bitcoin could potentially be lost. You'll then take this address and plug it into whatever crypto wallet you're using to buy, sell, and hold your Bitcoin. We highly suggest that you use the Kala wallet as you're already holding your Kala coin there, and you can now hold Bitcoin there as well. An added bonus is that we offer crypto insurance in the wallet with individual policies. I will show you how to move Bitcoin from your Kala wallet to Mintage. If you have a different crypto wallet, you should still watch because the function is going to be very similar. Go ahead and jump into your Kala wallet or crypto wallet. You'll want to go to the Bitcoin portion of that wallet. So here's our Kala wallet. We're going to jump into our Bitcoin wallet portion. As you can see, we're already on the send option, so that's great. We have upgraded this wallet to a pro member, so this wallet actually has insurance on it. Since we already have our deposit address copied from our Mintage wallet, I'm going to paste that into my recipient BTC wallet field. So paste. Then we're going to add the amount that we want to send. We are going to send in USD, but if you want to, you can send in BTC. We're just going to send $30. Another great option in the Pro wallet is you can choose your send priority. So if you really need it to get there right now, you can send it faster. It does cost a little bit more in transaction fees, but you're sure to get your Bitcoin wherever you need it to be as fast as possible. We don't really need it to go that fast, so we're going to pick low. That will help us in transaction fees. We can enter a note here, which is a great opportunity that the Kala wallet gives us. I'll go ahead and preview the transaction. As you can see, everything looks correct, so we'll go ahead and send our BTC. We'll have to enter our 2FA code in here. Perfect. We've gone ahead and sent it. When sending your Bitcoin, please be aware that this can take anywhere from 10 minutes to several hours, depending on the wallet you are using and the amount you are sending at the time. There are many factors that play into the send time of Bitcoin, but be assured that it is on its way. Now that we're back in the Mintage wallet, you can close that. And you can come back and check a little later to see if your Bitcoin has been deposited. Once your Bitcoin has been received, you can move on to the next Mintage tutorial video, how to pay for my contract in Mintage using Bitcoin. Thanks for learning how to add Bitcoin to your Mintage wallet with us today. Have a great day.